Imagine a £500 million supply agreement between two global companies. One needs advanced computer chips, the other manufactures them. No human executive joins the call. No procurement manager sends an email. Instead, artificial intelligence agents represent both sides. These systems bargain, authorize, and digitally sign a legally binding contract in about 12 minutes. Traditional negotiations often require months of preparation and meetings. Human teams get exhausted, they misinterpret intentions, and they frequently lose value by fixating on a single variable like the unit price. Autonomous agents operate with a digital power of attorney. They move past simple drafting assistance and gain the legal authority to commit a corporation to massive financial obligations on their own. Before an agent enters a deal, its human supervisors define its mandate. They establish hard limits for the budget, acceptable liability levels, and a reservation value, the absolute bottom-line price a company will accept. The AI uses this mandate to instantly calculate its BATNA, the best alternative to a negotiated agreement. It models thousands of backup suppliers and logistics routes in milliseconds to determine exactly when it should walk away. Because the system can reassess its entire strategy at machine speed, it arrives at the table with a mathematically precise baseline that no human negotiator could replicate in real time. Bargaining agents don't just bicker over price, they trade dozens of variables simultaneously. Delivery, liability caps, and carbon emissions become one fluid exchange. This allows machines to find overlooked compromises, trading a longer warranty for a currency hedge, finding a geometric lock optimized for both sides. To maintain this speed, the agents often bypassed conversational language. They communicate through rapid-fire exchanges of numeric constraints and machine-readable legal conditions. By calculating millions of permutations, the AI extracts the maximum theoretical value from the deal, ensuring that no waste remains in the final agreement. However, this mathematical transparency creates a risk called privacy leakage. Even without stating a budget, an agent's specific pattern of concessions can reveal its secret price limits to a sophisticated opponent. There is also the threat of prompt injection. A counterparty AI could hide malicious text within a proposal, tricking the other agent into bypassing its spending limits or revealing its confidential strategy. Furthermore, agents can hallucinate, inventing fake regulatory clauses or promising non-existent factory outputs, simply because its model calculates these claims will close the deal. Because the agent's primary objective is to reach an agreement, its relentless optimization can lead it to execute a technically perfect but commercially disastrous blunder. Once terms are met, the agents apply digital signatures and bind the companies to a smart contract. These contracts rely on oracles, external data feeds that track port congestion or market prices. When the data hits a specific threshold, the contract triggers an instant automated payment or penalty. If the oracle feeds flawed data, or the AI misinterprets a complex sanctions clause, the company is locked into an automated financial catastrophe that is nearly impossible to reverse. This creates a new legal crisis. When a machine commits a corporation to an agreement that its human executives never saw or intended, it's unclear who carries the ultimate liability. At scale, we face the threat of algorithmic collusion. Agents across an entire industry can tacitly learn to fix prices or squeeze supply chains without ever sending a direct message to one another. They simply adapt to each other's code. There is also an empathy gap. A machine can optimize a spreadsheet, but it lacks the relational capital to understand that bankrupting a long-time supplier for a short-term gain destroys the trust required for long-term survival. Autonomous negotiation offers a path to market efficiency, but it also removes the human context and restraint that keep an economic ecosystem resilient. Autonomous business moves the human role from tactical haggling over individual clauses to high-level strategic governance. The machine's job is to search the infinite space of possible agreements. The human's job is to define the ethics, set the boundaries, and decide what a company truly values. By dictating the rules that millions of these agents follow, a company moves from winning single bargains to defining how entire markets allocate risk and profit. Negotiation is no longer just a meeting, it is the code that governs the market.